Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find crypto.com Visa debit card number information. So in order to get it, you first need to come to your crypto.com app. Now you need to tap on the cards tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So if you have any of the cards from crypto.com, then you will be able to see your card that will look something like this. So in order to get the number of it, you just have to simply tap on it, and then you just have to provide your PIN code. After providing the PIN code, you will be able to easily view your debit card number information of your crypto.com Visa debit card. Now if you face any of the problems in finding your debit card number, then what you can do is you can simply come to the home page, then tap on these three horizontal lines in the top left hand corner. After that, you just have to go to the settings, and in the settings you just have to tap on support. After that, you can use any of the methods, like you can go to the help center and you can even tap on contact support, and you can directly contact with the crypto.com customer support team if you are not able to find your debit card number information. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.